I'm here with the brand new 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4 with the XP package. This thing will not last 48 hours on our lot. If you're interested in a truck like this, please reach out to me as quick as you can. It will be here until it's 2020 Toyota Tacoma with brand new LED lights for this year. Oh my goodness, I love them. The grill's a little different. You still got the hood scoop because it's a sport. You can see we got the TRD off-road wheels, blacked out badging, XP badging, Predator running boards, black chrome exhaust tip, TRD Sport badging. You got the XP blacked out. You got proximity sensors with the tow package back here. I love this. You got the outlet. You got the new lights back here. Inside, premium leather. Ooh, that feels good. This is beautiful. It does have blind spot monitors. Don't know if you guys saw, but we got the TSS system up here. Smart key. Finally, we have a power seat for the Tacoma. I'm so happy. JBL audio. This one's got 5 miles. Navigation. Again, 3 garage door openers. SOS Safety Connect. Qi wireless charger, proximity sensors, blind spot monitors, push button start, 4x4 controls, heated mirrors, heated seats, dual climate control. This thing's amazing. Some of your pre-collision features, and then you got that nice 4.2-inch multi-information display. Literally, this truck will not last 48 hours on our lot. Just got off the truck. It's beautiful. It's amazing. It's the perfect color. Hit me up. This thing will be gone. Let me show you this awesome 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm so grateful for all you guys always supporting me, but definitely somebody buy this truck. It's not gonna last. It's perfect.